Welcome to a special edition of Currency Exchange Today. We're here to discuss a very important issue for international money transfers: fair pricing for smaller players. Recently, the Reserve Bank of India's Deputy Governor, M. Rajeshwar Rao, spoke at the 17th Foreign Exchange Dealers Association, FEDAI, the country's leading foreign exchange dealers, annual conference in Cairo, Egypt. In his keynote address, he discussed how banks must encourage customers to use their retail platforms in order to ensure transparent pricing. International transfers, often handled by foreign exchange dealers, can be very expensive for smaller customers, like MSMEs and other retail participants. Without access to lower pricing through such platforms, these customers can end up paying much higher fees. That's why Rao is looking to the FEDAI to help create a self-regulatory organization that will ensure fair pricing of transactions. To that end, the Reserve Bank of India is hoping that FEDAI will review all of its guidelines in order to identify and remove impediments that hinder the fulfillment of regulatory objectives. This is especially true in light of the recent budget announcement of reducing the cost of compliance and streamlining regulations for the financial sector. Rao spoke about how it is especially worrisome that there is a complete lack of transparency regarding the charges levied by banks on their customers, with the large corporate entities benefiting from tighter pricing as opposed to smaller customers. It's this kind of continued discrepancy that needs to be corrected. To that end, the FEDAI is focusing on educating its participants on the foreign exchange retail platforms, in order to ensure that the pricing is fair and the procedures for the financial markets are streamlined. Additionally, the FEDAI will provide guidance and support to the Reserve Bank of India in its efforts to simplify, rationalize and reduce the cost of compliance within the financial sector. We hope that this issue of fair pricing for smaller customers will be addressed soon, and that the FEDAI's work towards streamlining and regulating procedures and guidelines is successful. To learn more, stick around for our next segment of Currency Exchange Today.